Welcome to Cosmic Wisdom. Join us to discover epic knowledge from ancient world to the cosmos. Subscribe Cosmic Wisdom for a journey through time and space. Namaste everyone. Welcome to Cosmic Wisdom. Today, we're exploring the profound essence of OMkara, the sacred sound of Om that echoes the universe's heartbeat. Discover how this single syllable carries such a deep spiritual power. Stay with us as we uncover its ancient origins, cosmic meaning, and transformative impact. OMkara, revered as the primordial sound of the universe in Sanatana Dharma, Jainism, Buddhism, and Sikhism. It's more than a word or chant. It's a sacred vibration that resonates with the very essence of existence. The sacred sound Om blends with three vibrations. A, the waking state. U, the dreaming state. The deep sleep state. Together leading us to the silence of pure consciousness. Think of it as a cosmic resonance linking us to the universe. Let's explore why Om's three components, A, U, are pronounced as Om, not Aum. In Sanskrit, a basic grammar rule called Sandhi combines the A and U sounds into a prolonged O sound. For instance, the word mantra ending with A sound and ucharana starting with U sound join to form mantrocharana. Thus, Om, though composed of A, U, is chanted as a single sacred syllable, Om. Ancient texts like the Upanishads proclaim OMkara as the sacred vibration that existed before the universe's birth, the cosmic source from which all existence emerged. OMkara, revered in the Vedas, Upanishads, and Bhagavad Gita, is described in the Mandukya Upanishad as all that is past, present, future, and beyond time itself. Chanting Om helps to calm the mind and align your body, mind, and soul. Its vibrations flowing through A, U, sounds foster inner peace. Ancient wisdom and modern science show Om's frequency harmonizes brain waves, reducing stress and improving focus by stimulating the vagus nerve. Today, Om echoes globally in yoga studios, mindfulness apps, and even pop culture, proving its timeless appeal. To chant Om, sit comfortably on the floor in a quiet space. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, chant Om slowly, feeling its sacred vibration in your chest, throat, and head. Let the sound fade into silence. That silence connects you to divine consciousness. Now, hear Om's sacred chant and feel its resonance. Feel Om's chant in your heart. Keep chanting Om daily for a few minutes to carry its peaceful vibration. OMkara's deep meaning connects us to the divine and each other. Try it this week and join us to share your feelings in the comments.